Yo, I spend a lot of time on the road, days at a time, weeks at a time. Sometimes I don't get back to my office a lot, and usually I'm on the road giving. I'm gonna give. I'm giving scholarships out to kids in the hood or in rural areas and women. I'm giving 3D printers to training centers and places like that, machines. I'm giving software. I'm giving myself, all of myself, to these communities in the manufacturing industry. So when I come back to my office and I sit down and I get an email that we've got packages downstairs with my name on them, it makes me feel really good. So shout out to people that are giving me things, man. I really appreciate it. It feels great, and it feels an honor that you all would like me to rock your stuff and rock your brand, and I do it with pride because, again, I give all of me to this industry. I give all of me to the people I get to work with. I give all of me to the communities that I get to work with and represent. So I appreciate it sometimes when people appreciate your boy. Let's see what's in the box.
Baltimore was amazing, by the way. I'm gonna drop a video recap, and then obviously with Jark and Cam Instructor and the friends, we were shooting some community transformation footage and video, so you'll definitely see that. But I'll pop in, and I got a box from our good friends at Mastercam, so we're gonna see what's inside. Also, shout out to everybody that's been sending me stuff lately. I appreciate all the gear. I rock it proudly on podcasts, on the road, everywhere. Jimmy Wakeford, Barefoot CNC, hooked it up with a lot of stuff. Clyde C. Miller High School, thank you for the Honorary Engineering Society jacket. It means a lot to me. And the countless others that have been sending stuff. Keep sending stuff. I'm gonna do more unboxing videos so y'all can get some love for showing me some love. And look at Mastercam, always making it right with something nice. The dry fit, just in time, man. It's cold today too, man. Just in time for the winter in the Mastercam EDU. Shout out to the Master fam. Shout out to everybody over there. Appreciate you. It's gonna look good on your boy. And 2 beanies for good form. Good stuff, man. Y'all know me. Y'all know what I like. Thank you. Thank you. Mastercam, Master Fam, EDU, Clint, Pete, True, what up, though? Appreciate y'all.